three, four, one, two, three. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어 자꾸
आज पीजी हंट का था डे 1 एंड मैं और मेरी फ्रेंड गए थे मारताहली जहाँ पे इतना ट्रैफिक था कि हम 2 घंटे वहाँ स्टक होकर रिटर्न हमने ऑटो ले लिया कि अब वहाँ पीजी देखकर कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, हम महादेवापुरा में ले लेंगे. द हंट फॉर पीजी स्टार्ट्स नाउ. ఏం చెప్పవాలా दूसरी इसको ठंड लग रहा है इसलिए इसका मुंह बंद है. So our first stop is FF21 Co-living PG in महादेवापुरा. महादेवापुरा इसलिए क्योंकि वो वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस में था एंड Co-living PG इसलिए क्योंकि हमने 3-4 गर्ल्स PG देखा एंड वाज नॉट सो क्वाइट गुड. एंड दिस PG was super cute but it was pretty costly because only 16,000 for the upper bed and नीचे वाला so 18,000. And they don't provide you with the lunches in the afternoon and Saturday Sunday be no food. So I thought though it is super cute but it's quite pricey and too much. Okay, so if you guys are super rich you can definitely go and have a good look over this PG because it's quite nice and it's near to Bagmane Constellation Park, like all of these PGs that I'm showing. Our next stop is RK Co-living PG, which is also near and most of my friends are staying here as it is quite affordable. It's like 12,000 a month and my friend was also staying here. Then we went to have some lunch in Phoenix Market City, which is also quite walkable, so you have a lot of things nearby. This is what we had over there. Now next stop comes is my PG. मैं निकल पड़ी थी वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस में ढूंढने के लिए अकेले क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाओ तो दिल बी लाइक क्वाइट पिकी कि नहीं अभी ये एक बस है 2 बस है. सो हियर कम्स माई PG, AA Co-living PG, and the owner Anna was super sweet here. He was also a Telugu person and the view from this PG, the lake view is super nice and it's just 15 minutes walk from my office. So that was the reason like I chose this. It was quite affordable. मेरा रूम टूर मैं आपको एंड में दूंगी which is costing me 14,000 for double sharing. This is the aquarium and here is the reception with that cute manager. Manager garu కాస్త మీ introduction ఇస్తారా? No worries, you can continue. You'll have this cute candid fan following for you.
Hi, I'm Maruti. I'm the manager of this PG.
Okay.
This girl forced me to do this video.
This girl? Am I the only one who forced to video? Okay. So once you come to PG, make sure that you say hi to our sweet Maruti as well. And this is the workspace. ट्रेनिंग पीरियड में मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने पूरी रात यहाँ गुजारा है हमारा deliverables पूरा करने के लिए. It was quite fun. We have 3 washing machines over here and the look of our terrace is pretty great. I mean, you'll just love this place, the terrace, the vibe that it has. I mean, I don't know what to say. Just enjoy those lights and PG view. और यहाँ सामने से मेरा ऑफिस दिखता है Publicis Sapient, which is just 15 minutes walk from here. And now me and Alika are shifting from Icon Hotel to our PG. This is the lake view. Morning में हमारा terrace से lake ऐसे दिखता है. Just quite good. And then फिर हम चले गए थे D-Mart, सामान लिया वहाँ से and then we came to this place to have some lunch. And do wait for my room tour vlog which is at the end of this video. और हमने यहाँ पर खाया था मस्त सा नूडल्स एंड अलीका ने दोने बिरयानी. She is a biryani girl and I am a noodle girl. And then sometimes we come with our friends to chill on the terrace. वहाँ पे CP आइसक्रीम खा रही है और अलीका भी. Cute people. नहीं इसमें आइसक्रीम किधर है गाइस, देखो आइसक्रीम किधर है. कंजूस लोग. और ये लोग महीने का 1-1 लाख कमाते हैं बाय द वे. मेरे से ज़्यादा पैसे इनके पास. देखो महीने का लाख इसलिए कमाते क्योंकि लोग आइसक्रीम को भी इतना खाते हैं. एंड चलो लेट मी शो यू माई रूम. Congratulations. So मेरा room is at the end of the corridor with the common fridge बाजू में, and this is the room that I'm staying in. So as I told you, it's like 14,000 a month. हम लोग already settle हो चुके थे, तो you'll find our stuff here and there. Please don't mind. This is my side, and that's Alekhia's side. वो windows है, that is cupboard. And shoe rack and a TV. Obviously fan है but AC नहीं. Okay, but Bangalore का weather summer में भी बहुत बारिश हो रहा है, तो it doesn't matter. Let me show you the view as well. Not so aesthetically pleasing videos, but yeah. So बाहर बहुत हवा चल रहा है, बारिश हो रहा है. So my curtains are acting weird up. And मेरे PG का room is also quite big than the other PG का room. Like though the 2,000 rent थोड़ा कम है, like उधर थोड़ा like 12,000, 11,000 में मिलेगा. But the room is also quite compact, which is not the case in our PG. So that side is of Alekhia's. ये हम दोनों share करते हैं, तो I will not show you that. I'll show you mine. हाँ, मैंने clean किया है video के लिए obviously. मेरे कपड़े हैं. कपड़े नीचे थोड़ा मेस वाला पार्ट है, विल स्किप दैट. एंड हियर मैं अपना पूरा व्हाट डू यू कॉल स्किन केयर सब सेव करती हूँ. यप, दैट्स इट. नाउ लेट मी आल्सो गिव यू that's washroom. So let me show you the washroom tour as well. So the washrooms here in FDPG is quite compact. आप लोगों को फर्स्ट टाइम तो अलग लगेगा, बट रहते रहते आदत चल जाएगा, फिर यू लाइक इट. एंड अलेकिया ने बकेट ला कर रखा है वहाँ नीचे. हम ऑलरेडी सेट रहे, तो ये हमारा स्टफ है. एंड दिस इज़ अ क्यूट लिटिल बाथरूम. एंड आफ्टर अ हेक्टिक डे और शेड्यूल मैं आ जाती हूँ अपने छत पर रात में कभी कभी नाइट व्यू एन्जॉय करने. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक सच कंटेंट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू गाइज टू प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड कमेंट फॉर एनी अदर पार्ट टूज. और डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैं PG लिंक्स डाल दूँगी. आई फॉरगॉट टू अपडेट आवर मारुति इज सिंगल. ही इज लुकिंग फॉर हिज महालक्ष्मी. ओके. Currently this is 2025 and he is 20 years old. Okay, so by next year you can, he's all eligible a bachelor, so you can
I'm not
get.
single. I'm mingle already.
He looks calm, but he's a dangerous man if you guys don't behave properly in the PG.
No, not exactly like that.
Not exactly like that. Okay, let me know in comments. Let me know in comments when you meet him in person in AA co-living PG. Okay.
I will show my.
No, you show your lip. You are also very funny.
I learned from you only.
Nice to meet you, Maruti Garu.
Thank you. Thank you.
He looks like a Pookie Bear, but he isn't. Trust me, guys.